sharing with you guys how I achieved the perfect red lip and smoky eyes, perfect for brown skin. So the first thing that I'm going to do is make sure that my skin is extremely hydrated. So these are my three favorite foundations that I use on a daily. The first is a light to medium, the middle is a medium to full, and the last is almost like a base balm. I'm going to use the Match Master 7.5 foundation on my face with the 170 Max Kabuki style brush. Alright, so what I'm doing now is just using the foundation to even out my skin complexion. So the foundation just allows my skin to look just the same tint and color as my neck and the rest of my body. I'm going to add concealer, and I'm also going to add the full coverage powder foundation on top of this foundation to get a fuller coverage. So I want to make sure that I'm going light and top. So I'm using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the color NW43, just one shade lighter of my natural foundation, just to hide any hyperpigmentation that's underneath my eyes or around my mouth area. I find that a lot of people miss around the mouth, but that is so important if you really want your lip features to pop out and stand out. Sometimes correcting everything else and leaving your mouth untouched is very noticeable in photos and in photography, so make sure that that is a focus area for you. As I blend, you can see how the concealer helps add that extra coverage to the areas that the foundation couldn't grab. So I'm just going to even out my skin with the rest of this concealer, and then anything else that the concealer doesn't grab, I'm going to use the foundation powder for. So I almost forgot about the hyperpigmentation underneath my cheekbones. I'm going to add a little concealer in these areas just so that it doesn't show through underneath my bronzer. I've applied my foundation, and now I've just applied my concealer. The last thing is a setting powder, and that will completely give me a full coverage look just using a little bit of everything. So this is the most important part of the makeup routine for me. I'm going to use the MAC NW50 in the Studio Fix powder to recreate the dimension that I just corrected.
No one's there to hear it, but the tree falls just the same. Cheer above the end of us makes room for another.
Alright, so I'm going to go back in with the NW45 Studio Fix powder right underneath my cheekbone just to create some structure and to clean up any of the NW50 that had fallen down. So I'm using the Inferno palette from Shop Plush. This is, kid you not, like one of my favorite palettes, and it doesn't hurt that it costs $10. The colors in this palette are perfect for a natural smoky eye on brown skin. They have these burgundies and deep burgundy browns inside of the palette. So I'm going to just buff this into the creases of my eye just to create dimension. Alright, so the fallout from your eye look can also cause your eyes to look sunken underneath. So I'm going to use MAC's Prep and Prime highlighter pen in light just to make sure that my eyes are lifted underneath my smoky eye look. So Instacurl Lash is my mascara choice for the day. This is like top notch, one of my favorite mascaras. This is so perfect for eyelashes that are like short to medium length because of the stubby little brush that is included with the eyelash curler. For my base, I'm using the Chestnut lip liner from MAC Cosmetics, and then I'm going to go in with the Mahogany lip liner from MAC Cosmetics as well to create my red lip. I love this lip pencil. This is like the perfect color for brown skin. If you really want like a natural lip that isn't too dramatic and that is perfect for everyday wear or work. Super natural, feature poppin'. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Make sure that you like the video if you did, and also subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.